As I clutch to my breast my peat-steeped brew, the beads of rain trickle musically through the happy leaves, the mossy trees, soaked up by spongy, verdant pillows, that bounce under expectant childlike steps through woodland glade and pole-like pines, twixt leafy shadows twin shards of light, stained brazen bark and wood so warm, and canopy heaven with branches torn. With glee I dance through quaggy mire, the blackened pools deter me none, for through the leaves and stolen trees I see the piercing wintry sun. So rushly torment, gush thee loud, I do not fear the noise you bring. This is a special different day, and make my mark I shall, and make my mark.